Dear students, today's topic is angles and pairs of angles. It's chapter 4, part 2, standard 7. In this chapter, we are going to learn about vertical equal angles, adjacent angles, linear pair of angles, complementary angles, and supplementary angles. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it today itself. Let's start. What are vertically upward angles? When two lines intersect each other, vertically upward angles are formed. Now we will try to understand vertically upward angles with the help of figure. So here we have line AB and here we have another line CD and they intersect each other at O. When two lines intersect each other, four angles are formed. Right, you can see in the figure angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. So in this figure, angle 1 and angle 3 are opposite to each other. So angle 1 and angle 3 is one pair of vertically opposite angle. Angle 1 and angle 3 means angle AOC and angle BOD is one pair of vertically opposite angles. Similarly, you can see in this figure angle 2 and angle 4 are opposite to each other and they are next pair of vertically opposite angles, that is angle AOD and angle BOC. Okay, so angle AOC, angle BOD is one pair of vertically upward angle. Angle AOD and angle BOC is the next pair of vertically upward angles. And vert upward angles are equal in measures. What are adjacent angles? Two angles which have a common vertex, a common arm and separate interiors are said to be adjacent angles. Now we will try to understand adjacent angles with the help of figure. Okay, you can see in this figure we have three angles, that is angle LMO, angle OMN and angle LMN. Out of these three angles, angle LMO and angle NMO are adjacent angles. Why these two angles are adjacent angle? Because they have one common vertex, that is M, right? And they have one common arm, that is ray MO. And you can see in this figure the interiors of angle LMO, I have showed it with the red dots, and the interiors of angle NMO I have showed it with the yellow dots, and you can see that their interiors are separated, they are not mixed with each other. Therefore angle LMO and angle NMO are adjacent angles in this figure. What is linear pair of angles? Two angles are said to be linear if they have one common arm, common vertex, and their non-common arms are two opposite rays, and the sum of angles in a linear pair is 180 degree. Now we will try to understand linear pair of angles with the help of figure. Right, you can see that in this figure we have two angles, angle LMO and angle NMO, and they are angles in a linear pair. Why these two angles are said to form a linear pair? Because you can see they have one common vertex, that is M, and they have one common arm, that is ray MO, and the remaining two arms, that is ray ML and ray MN, are opposite rays. Hence, angle LMO and angle NMO are angles in a linear pair. What are complementary angles? Two angles whose sum is 90 degree are called complementary angles. Now we will try to understand complementary angles with the help of figure. Look at here, there are two angles, angle ABC and angle PQR. Here measure of angle ABC is 20 degree and measure of angle PQR is 70 degree, and 20 degree plus 70 degree equals to 90 degree. It means the sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Therefore, angle ABC and angle PQ are complementary angle of each other. You can say that angle ABC is complementary angle of angle PQR, or angle PQR is complementary angle of angle ABC. Now here we have the another figure. In this figure, angle LMO and angle NMO are complementary angles because together they forms right angle. Correct? You can see together they forms right angle. It means sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Therefore, angle LMO and angle NMO are complementary angles of each other. What are supplementary angles? Two angles whose sum is 180 degree are called supplementary angles. Now we will try to understand supplementary angles with the help of figure. You can see that here we have two angles, angle ABC and angle PQR. Here measure of angle ABC is 110 degree and measure of angle PQR is 70 degree, and 110 plus 70 equals to 180 degree. It means sum of measures of angle ABC and angle PQR is 180 degree. Therefore, angle ABC and angle PQR are supplementary angles of each other. Now look at the second example. In this figure, here angle LMO and angle OMN are supplementary angles of each other because they forms linear pair angles, and we know that the angles in a linear pair is supplementary. Hence, angle LMO and angle NMO are supplementary angles of each other.